Welcome to Cine Tech, where we give you the research-backed truth on products. Today, we're evaluating the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni E25, a premium robot vacuum and mop combo aiming for hands-free floor care. This model boasts impressive suction and an advanced mopping system for mixed floor homes. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore how the eufy Omni E25 performs in real-world cleaning situations, focusing. Hard floor cleaning is the main strength because the HydroJet roller system keeps the mop refreshed, ensuring every pass is spotless. For carpets, the robust 20,000 PA suction power effectively lifts fine dust and embedded dirt, providing solid vacuuming results on various. Pet owners will appreciate the DuoSpiral anti-tangle brushes, which are specifically designed to prevent hair from wrapping, drastically reducing manual. While thorough, the frequent trips back to the Omni station for mop washing can extend the total time it takes. The Omni E25 truly excels in mopping hard floors and handles pet hair well. Next, let's break down the value proposition of the eufy Omni E25, considering the combination of the HydroJet self-cleaning mop, powerful suction, and the fully automated Omni station offers a high level of. eufy maintains a solid reputation within the smart home appliance market, providing a good baseline for buyer confidence in product. At its full retail price, the Omni E25 faces stiff competition from other brands that sometimes offer comparable features, or regular discounts significantly enhance the E25's attractiveness, transforming it into a much more competitive and appealing option within the premium. The E25 delivers meaningful daily convenience with its advanced features and maintenance dock. Finally, let's address the potential risks and common complaints associated with the eufy Omni. The E25 demonstrates solid build quality in general, with testing showing no major manufacturing defects or common hardware failures that, while navigation and obstacle avoidance are generally dependable, some automated cleaning decisions may occasionally require manual oversight for optimal results. eufy provides standard manufacturer support and warranty coverage, which is consistent with expectations for premium robot vacuums and offers peace. The app is functional for control, but initial mapping can be a bit fussy, and it only supports 2. Overall reliability is quite good, but minor annoyances exist with initial mapping and how the AI. Ultimately, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni E25 is an excellent choice for households prioritizing top-tier hard floor mopping and hands-free automation, especially those with pets. While its full price is a consideration, strong cleaning performance and convenient features make it a compelling purchase when found at a discount.